Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today I will share how to prepare prosperity money powder in a very simple and easy way. I will also share how to use and when you can make this prosperity powder. So please watch the video till the end. For preparing this powder, you will need bay leaves, nutmeg, cinnamon stick. We all know cinnamon stick is also known as money magnet, and you will use like this cinnamon stick. Okay, ginger powder, saffron, dry basil and mint, thyme, cloves, allspice, star anise and cardamom. Now these spices and herbs are very powerful and magical, and they help in attracting prosperity and money to us. These quantity of this you will take as per your intuition. Okay, and you will grind them separately, not together. Each ingredient you will grind separately and you will mix them afterwards. Now while you are grinding this and while you are mixing the powder, you will say money affirmations continuously, and you can also chant Shri mantra. Okay, I have made a video on affirmations for money. And after you mix this powder, you will take a glass jar, okay, and then energize it with fumes. That is, you can show the fumes in the jar and energize it. You can make this on a new moon day or on Wednesday or Friday in the evening. Okay, once you make this powder and keep it in the jar, you will keep this jar in your altar for one day, and then from the next day you can start using it. Okay, how will you use it? You can sprinkle this on camphor. Okay, this powder you will sprinkle on camphor and show the fumes in your office, house, your shop. Okay, and you can also sprinkle this powder in your wallet, purse, in the corners of your house or your shop. You can do this daily. And if you burn a lamp in your house daily, you can add this powder in the oil and burn the lamp daily to attract prosperity in your life. Okay, this is a very magical and powerful powder. Have faith and use it. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.